Good morning, it is San Diego day. Welcome back to my channel, welcome to today's video. I have some random clips from this week that I meant to vlog all week long, but shocker, I did not because I got too busy. So I will insert that footage here. We had cheer tryouts and I also recorded my breakfast and I think that's about it.
Hi guys,
Dropped, so.
School's over. We're now on spring break. Yeah! Last time having to try out for something because we're seniors now. Well, not now, but we're gonna be seniors.
Yeah.
We have to do high ponies for trials. We have to wear all black.
We got the Celsius.
Anyways, we'll see you
to spring break though.
Cheers to spring break.
Cheers to cheer tryouts.
We'll let you know how cheer tryouts go. All right, bye. All made the team. Woo!
It is the second day of spring break. Look who I'm with.
Hey.
Oh, your hair looks actually so good.
Is it actually? I should
Yes,
take
it
it
looks
out.
so cute. We need to go because we're trying to beat the traffic. I
That's
need to
right.
pull up this top, but here are the outfits. We are going to the flower fields and we're just gonna go have a little girls' day in San Diego. So
Oh, I didn't bring sunglasses.
that's okay. I left mine in the car. So we will keep you guys updated, take you along for this fun day. I might extend the vlog into tomorrow, Easter, if I don't get a lot of footage today, but I hope I do. And hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I'll be vlogging other days of spring break as well, but I want to make today its own video because we're doing a whole day thing. I have so much gross laundry in my bed that I need to fold, but tomorrow's problem. So we're gonna go get some Starbucks because we have a bit of a journey ahead. Update, we just got to the gas station because we need to gas up
For a big day.
Margot for her big drive. We got our Starbs. I got a spinach feta wrap, my favorite. I feel like they're always out of this at Starbucks, and so anytime I get it, it's like holy grail. And I also got a chai.
I got a vanilla latte.
Ooh. We made it. We are in this little village to get food. It's close to the flower fields. This is not focusing whatsoever. Grace is taking a photo of me. We're gonna take some pics. I don't know how well you can hear me because the wind is winding right now, but we got some sandwiches. They really packed this with lettuce. Hello guys. Update, we've literally been sitting in the car for like
40 minutes.
40 minutes? No, it was like 20 minutes because I drove around for a very long time searching for parking. So I couldn't find any. We just got to the flower fields. I'm gonna play a montage and show you guys everything my shirt is falling off of my body because it's probably gonna be crazy once we get out of the car. Parking was an absolute nightmare. I'm glad we left the beach early. We are going to get going. I'm so excited. It looks gorgeous and we'll keep you updated. She's in a big rush. I got to turn off the car. I probably just drained so much of my battery just that we were this tired from walking all around, but I was very wrong. We made a very large mistake in not bringing hats or sunglasses. That was an issue, but now we are, I need the hairbrush. Going to go walk around San Diego State University. Grace loves that school. She wants to go there, so can I say that?
Yeah, I don't care.
She wants to go there. So we're gonna go visit that, walk around, look at what we can, and then we also want to get ice cream at some point. Ice cream sounds so good right now because we were in the sun. It's almost 4 o'clock already. The day has gone by so fast, but I think we need to drink water because we're dehydrated, which I did bring some, but we will keep you guys updated. I have no idea the clips I even got from that montage, but I will insert some photos that we took on the screen. Okay, bye.
Hey guys, so we're currently on the way home. We decided to ditch the whole going to the SDSU. Everything, it's gone in the sunset. It's currently 4:30. So now we're going home, which honestly we're really happy about. It was time for us to go home. It was.
Yeah, it was time.
We would have had a fun time, but I just think
And we got church
another time.
It's Easter.
It's tomorrow's Easter. We gotta be excited for the Lord. The Lord is rising, and so do we. We need to rise too.
Hello guys, update. Sorry, this has been like the most jumbled vlog ever. I promise I will get better this week. Or do I? I don't even know. But I'm about to drive Grace back to her house. We're finally home. I don't know what she's doing. I don't know what she's wearing. All week I've been saying like, how is she even real because of the things that she does. Just makes me in denial. Anyways, I am going to go drop her off at home and I will end the vlog here. Psych, just kidding. I did not get nearly enough footage in Carlsbad, so I just decided to combine a little bit of a different vlog with this one to make it part 1 of spring break, and I also have a part 2 video coming, so stay tuned for that. It's gonna just cut really quick because I had to nix the intro of this video because it made no sense in combination with the Carlsbad vlog. Anyways, this is just me organizing all my stuff and doing some spring cleaning, so hope you enjoy. out this morning and made myself a smoothie and got myself ready, and I have like 2 hours that I'm gonna spend cleaning out my closet because it is a disaster. If you regularly watch my videos, I never open the door. If it's ever open, I close it because it is a sty. It's so gross in there. I just throw things everywhere, and today's the day that I'm gonna organize it. I said for a really long time, I was like, I'll just do it over spring break. I'll do it over spring break, knowing that there's a good chance I wouldn't do it. So me filming it like forces me to do it. So that is what we're doing today. And then at like 2 something, I feel I sound sick because my allergies, I can't wear these because they glare, are flaring up, and I never get allergies, but my dad does all the time. So I think I'm starting to like inherit them from my dad. Anyways, before I organize anything, I want to show you guys what I got yesterday because it's not enough stuff for a haul of its own, but I can just throw it in this video for you guys to see because I am literally obsessed. I went to Tilly's with my mom because we got our nails done yesterday. I didn't do anything to my hands because my nails from prom are still going strong, but I got my toenails done. I'm not showing you because there are, yeah, if you're a foot fetish person, you need some serious help. That's all I'm gonna say. People have literally offered to pay me for feet pics in my DMs, and I'm like, get away, you sicko. So freaking weird. Anyway, let me show you what I got. First thing is this vest. This was $9, you guys. If I can find links for this stuff, the dog's going crazy, I will put it in the description. Next is this top. I wore it yesterday, so of course it has a stain on it, but I got this specifically so I could wear it with these shoes. I posted on my story asking your guys' opinion after I'd already bought them, so like I knew I bought them, but I wanted to see the opinions of the majority. There are a lot of orange though, so I figured if I don't like that, I can always take out the laces, so it's just the swoosh. But if you guys know, I love the University of Tennessee, and that is volunteer orange. Hello. Yeah. Next is this tank top. I'm wearing a different color of it right now because they had a 2 for $15 deal. They're $10 on their own, so pretty good price for the quality. And I figured I could wear these to the beach, or this one I'm just wearing with sweatpants right now, and it's super comfy. And then the last thing is this shirt. I might return it because I don't know if I like it. I can't decide. It's one of those things you see in the store and you're like, this could be really cute, but then you get it and you look at it and you're like, wait, maybe I was wrong. Anyway, I also bought this a couple days ago online from my favorite Princess Polly. I'm doing more fun things with them soon, so stay tuned for code. This is from their Disney collection, and I got this before I got these, and now I can wear them together to Disneyland because we're going on Friday. Me, Grace, and Sydney. I can't wait. So that's it for the mini haul, and now I'm going to unveil the forbidden sight, my closet. Let's just zoom in a bit. She needs some TLC. Let's get closer, then you can really see the mess. There's old stuff I need to get rid of in here. This is a pile of stuff. All these drawers need to be organized. And then over here, these actually aren't that bad. Like, this is just random like junk drawer type stuff. But down here is all my Christmas decorations, suitcase. These all fell down, more Christmas stuff. That's so terrifying. I'm so sorry. It's my American Girl doll. Also, all this needs to be taken care of. I would love to organize these desk drawers if I have time. Maybe go through this thing, this whole situation, but that's not a priority today. I just want to deal with that. I'm lighting this candle. One of these episodes or one of these, 2 very different podcasts, but I am recently a true crime fan. But I have to regulate myself because sometimes they creep me out way too much. I'm gonna start by getting everything that I don't want in here out into a giveaway pile. Update, the closet is pretty much all organized. It looks nice in here, but I have piles outside of it. I organized all the drawers. I have like workout clothes in here, shorts and skirts, bras and underwear, socks, pajamas, and then all my pants are in the bottom one. I have a pile of stuff I'm gonna wash and put up on Poshmark, so stay tuned for that. I got some of the stuff out of here, and then this pile is all clothes that I need to put away. Hangers right here, and then this is all trash that I got out of there. I also want to vacuum the whole room when I'm done, but now I need to put all my workout clothes and leave to the gym because I'm meeting Kenna there. But I'm so happy with the way it looks. I still have a lot of work to do, especially putting all this away, and I have a whole other load of laundry in the washer. so much later. Grace is here because we just went to
the show off.
Allie's show off for cheer
World's
because she's
Summit.
going to World's Summit. Her whole packing situation's going on because she's leaving tomorrow morning. So I forgot to show you guys that I did get this new thing for my keys, and I broke my camera earlier while I was organizing. Grace. Anyways, I got this new thing for my keys, and my camera is broken because the flip up screen doesn't work anymore. So, major L for me, but it's about time for me to buy a new one because I have to get one like every 7 months. This is the worst lighting ever, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. And I'm peacing out of this gross room. Say bye!
Bye! Mwah. Do you want to see Allie's boyfriend?
Guys.
He vlogs. Look at her waiting right now.